Navigating summer events with chronic kidney disease. Summer is a prime time for picnics, barbecues, camping, and outdoor parties. Living with a strict diet due to chronic kidney disease can put a damper on your kidney-friendly barbecue. This is especially true if you don't know what you can safely eat on your kidney diet plan in these situations. To help you navigate all the upcoming summer events, here are some common foods that you should be able to enjoy. From putting these into the picnic basket and carrying them along for your health to going to outdoor celebrations, you can count on these ideas to be delicious and easy to make and follow your kidney-friendly diet. And stick with me to the end because I'm going to talk about how to eat great desserts. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of renaldiethq.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit renaldiethq.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Picnic foods that are great for kidney disease. Pasta salad. Pasta salads typically come in two varieties, mayonnaise-based and vinegar-based. The vinegar-based, such as those made with Italian dressing, is the type that's best for you to eat. A simple pasta salad made with noodles, carrots, and other veggies and Italian dressing is delicious and kidney-friendly. Tuna salad. Making a kidney-friendly tuna salad sandwich to take to a picnic is easy and delicious. Begin by combining a can of light tuna with a tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of low-sodium mayonnaise, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix it all together and spread the tuna salad onto 2 slices of whole grain or white bread, or even a rice cake. Check out your options for low potassium. Consider toasting the bread for a crispy treat. If desired, top with fresh lettuce, tomato, and cucumber slices for extra flavor. Add a sprinkle of fresh herbs and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Wrap the sandwich up in wax paper or parchment paper, and it's ready to take on your picnic. Fried chicken is not usually something you should eat on a renal diet, but is a staple at picnics and might even be one of your favorite foods. If there are no other options for you, remove the skin and eat just the meat. It will be less greasy and salty and therefore less dangerous to you. A great kidney-friendly salad and kidney-friendly salad dressing to bring to a picnic is a mix of different salad greens and dressing. Start with a salad mix like spinach, arugula, and mixed greens, and add crunchy vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots. For a more hearty salad, add cooked quinoa and top with a light vinaigrette dressing. For an alternative to the salad mix, try a vegetable salad with cooked beets, sweet potatoes, and roasted peppers. For a protein-packed option, try a crunchy quinoa salad with cooked quinoa, chopped tomatoes, and a creamy tahini dressing. Most picnics always have vegetable trays or salad greens. Make use of those offerings and fill your plate with mostly fresh veggies. Using colorful veggies like green peppers or yellow peppers is a great way to have a crunchy treat. Now you might be wondering about barbecues. So here's some foods that you can eat at a barbecue. Pulled pork. Pulled pork is generally considered safe for kidney disease patients, especially as an alternative to burgers and especially the sodium bombs known as hot dogs. Go easy on the sauce, especially if it's the sweeter tomato-based kind. If it's available, vinegar-based sauce is best, although they can all be high in sodium and sugar. Also remember, you might want to choose white bread if you're having trouble with potassium and phosphorus levels in your blood. Grilled chicken. Most backyard barbecues typically offer burgers, hot dogs, and chicken from the grill. Between the three of them, the grilled chicken is the healthiest option. If there's no option for fish or chicken, a small burger would be okay, but avoid the hot dogs at all costs. A delicious and kidney-friendly chicken salad is a perfect addition to any barbecue. You make it with chicken, celery, red onions, and a light Greek yogurt-based dressing. The chicken can be cooked ahead of time or even purchased pre-cooked from the supermarket. The celery and red onions provide texture and crunch, while the Greek yogurt-based dressing is light and tangy. It's a great way to add flavor and nutrition to any barbecue without the worry of any kidney-related health issues. You could even cut a dinner roll in half for a quick and easy sandwich. Many side dish options at barbecues are either potato-based or drenched in cheese and sauce. Pasta salad, coleslaw, and salads are your best options for the kidney-safe, low-potassium side dishes. If your doctor has not restricted potassium, you can also eat potato salad. Camping. If you're fishing and camping, you're in luck because fish is a great option for you to eat. It's lean and full of proteins and nutrients, so you can safely enjoy your catch. There's nothing better than fire-grilled, freshly caught fish with a little lemon juice. Rice sides can be tricky when camping, but you can pretty easily bring along some rice to cook over the fire. Minute rice is usually pretty easy and won't be as bad for you as baked beans or other canned goods that might be high in sodium. Hot dogs, as a rule, should be avoided at all costs. You can eat vegan hot dogs, which are nitrate-free and made of meat alternatives, but look at them because they can be very high in sodium. You might be invited to a pool party, so let's talk about that. Here's some cool drinks. Blend up some frozen sugar-free lemonade or limeade for a frosty beverage that will keep you cool during a day at the pool. And frozen treats, when ice cream is not an option, get creative. Blend up some frozen berries or peaches in a food processor instead of ice cream, or pour some fruit puree into ice pop molds and freeze. Now let's talk about desserts, because picnic and barbecues are a great way to get together with friends and family and enjoy the outdoors. While they often feature savory dishes like burgers and hot dogs, it's important to include some tasty, sweet treats too. The challenge is finding desserts that are easy to create and are renal diet friendly. Fortunately, there's many delicious options that can be brought along to the picnic or barbecue that won't cause any problems for those on a renal diet. And I'll put a link in the description below to the renal diet desserts section on our website so you can find some other kidney-friendly desserts. One of the best options for renal diet is fruit. Fruits such as grapes, apples, and oranges are naturally low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, making those perfect for a renal diet. Some other fruits that can be used for a delicious picnic or barbecue dessert include strawberries, blueberries, and watermelon. These fruits can be eaten as is or used to make a light fruit-based dessert. For example, a bowl of mixed berries with a dollop of low-fat Greek yogurt is a great option. Another good option for a renal diet-friendly dessert is a sugar-free gelatin. Gelatin is low in potassium and phosphorus, so it can be enjoyed by those on a renal diet. For a picnic or barbecue, you can make a single-serve cup of gelatin with a few spoonfuls of sugar-free gelatin mix and a bit of cold water. You could also add some fresh fruit or low-fat whipped cream to make it a more elaborate dessert. Cheesecake. If you're looking for something a bit more indulgent, consider making a low-potassium, low-sodium cheesecake. This can be made with reduced-fat cream cheese, sugar-free gelatin, and low-fat cracker crumbs. The cheesecake can be served with a dollop of low-fat whipped cream and a few fresh berries for a delicious renal diet-friendly dessert. No matter what type of dessert you choose to bring along to the picnic or barbecue, it's important to make sure it fits within a renal diet. With a bit of creativity, you can whip up some delicious renal diet friendly desserts that will be a hit with all your guests. Living with chronic kidney disease does not mean you have to miss out on all the delicious treats of summer. With a few simple and delicious options, you can still enjoy picnics, barbecues, camping, and outdoor parties with your friends and family, all while sticking to your renal diet. Start by choosing lean proteins like grilled fish or chicken and adding kidney-friendly sides like salads with low sodium dressings and fresh fruits and vegetables. When it comes to desserts, try making sugar-free gelatin or low potassium cheesecake. With these strategies and tips, you can keep your renal diet in check while still having a great time this summer. With the right meal planning and preparation, you can enjoy all the joys of summer without compromising your health or your dietary restrictions.